Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 18,687 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack, a rear bumper, and a fuel cap. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. The TRIGLIDE is Harley's factory trike that offers the thrill of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the TRIGLIDE puts 106 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,215 pounds and has a 27.1 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.